Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I am trying out a new camera. It's a GoPro 9. I'm going to be getting some cool footage soon. Probably going to be doing some moto vlogging, motorcycle stuff. And I'm probably either going to Colorado or Florida to continue my training. I think I'm going to do some altitude training. I got some free time to play with, so that's gonna be cool. I've kind of gotten stuck in Hal Higdon's marathon novice program, so got up to week 11. I did the 15-mile run on Saturday, so I completed the half marathon on week 8. Then got up to week 10, did the 15-mile run on Saturday. So this program has you, I run like 15 to 24 miles a week. You know, it's been going up, and then things get screwed up. But the next long run was a 16-mile run. So I was supposed to do that, but I haven't done it yet. Considering stopping this program because it's cold now, and I haven't been lifting heavy in a long time. I just did a heavy deadlift training day a few days ago, and it felt really good. I feel like my body just wants to lift heavy again, and if I don't, I think I'm gonna lose a lot of my strength, because honestly I haven't lifted really heavy in almost 3 years now. And what I've got going here, I'm about to do 4-mile run, so we're gonna get that done. After I finish this Hal Higdon marathon program, I'm going to transition into the Jake Zweig SEAL prep. He said to get some multivitamins, glucosamine with chondroitin, calcium, and I haven't been taking supplements in a while. I just quit doing it. I used to do it when I was a teenager, but so I went and got the stuff he said. So glucosamine with chondroitin, that's for your knees mainly. Calcium, this is to help prevent stress fractures. Got the Alive, which is a little higher quality than the one a day, and then I got the whey protein. So we're just running at a talkable pace, which means an easy pace you can talk at. During the sprints, we're gonna kick it up a notch, obviously, but for probably the majority of your training, you need to be doing it at a talkable pace. So 60% of your heart rate max. You can look that up online.